guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a cozy clean with me. So it is actually around 5:30 p.m. so I just wanted to spend the evening with you guys and just tidy up my home and clean pretty much all of the downstairs minus the bedroom and bathrooms, but just wanted to take you guys along and give you some motivation. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful evening. This particular evening it actually felt really nice outside, so Eleni and Lee were actually outside playing basketball, so I just wanted to take some time to tidy up our space and, like I said, give you guys all the motivation today. So as you probably could tell, we are in the middle of still putting up decorations on the wall, along with still decorating all of our spaces with decor. So that's pretty much what we worked on, and that's why the living room had a lot of different tools and stuff out. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten up this couch, just fluff it out and make it look brand new basically, and then we are going to go ahead and vacuum this space as well. So I did ended up taking a small break. I went outside with Eleni just to play with her for a little bit. So we went ahead and ate dinner, and now I'm going to tidy up the dining room table. As you can tell, we had a lot of decor out, so I just wanted to put all of that stuff in a certain place to where I can just go and grab it as I continue to decorate the home. But then I'm going to also wipe down the table and all of the chairs in the dining room space as well. to clean my spaces today, I'm just using a microfiber cloth along with Mrs. Meyer's All Natural Multi-Purpose Spray. You guys know that I pretty much use this 95% of the time within the house. I do feel like I need to get another cleaner for our countertops just because it is a different type of countertop than what we had at the apartment. So if you have any recommendations, definitely let me know down below. One thing that took me a lot longer in the kitchen today was the fact that there were already dirty dishes in the dishwasher. I think I had forgot to set it the night before, or either, I don't know, I'm still learning how to work the dishwasher. So I ended up having to wash all of the dishes that were left over, which was a pain, but I did get it done. But it did take me a lot longer in the kitchen this particular evening. So next I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all the dishes that I just recently cleaned, and then we're going to go ahead and put them back where they go, and then we're going to work off just continuing to clean the countertop off. We're going to of course wipe the countertops down, and then we are going to end with vacuuming this space as well. If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to inspire you to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here. So the last thing I'm going to do is vacuum this space. I definitely wasn't up for mopping it as well. So we're just going to tackle vacuuming the kitchen area, and everything was good to go after that. So I hope this video gave you tons of motivation. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.